Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel Bright Black Bulb. Today's video is all about YouTube tips for beginners. We will be talking about the mistakes that beginner YouTubers do, and specifically we are going to focus on what I wish I knew before I started my own YouTube channel. Stay tuned and watch the whole video to find out what these great tips are that will allow you to grow your channel in no time. Papa Bulb has done an entire playlist that contains lots of videos that are super helpful if you are a new YouTuber. Make sure to watch them because I share many tips that will help you grow your channel faster and easier. The link to the playlist is going to be in the description. This channel is all about YouTube growth and YouTube tips. If that is something that interests you, make sure to subscribe and turn your post notification on so you don't miss anything, as I will be uploading more videos. Okay, that's enough. Let's get into today's video. I have made many mistakes and done things wrong when I was starting my YouTube channel. I have seen slow growth, a bit faster growth, and generally lots of good and bad. But today I have decided to share my top tips of being a successful YouTuber. In this video I will share 20 different things that I wished I could travel back in time and tell my own self when I was first starting YouTube. So without further ado, here is top 20 tips for new YouTubers. The first tip that I have for you, and this could be a game changer for me if I could go back in time and tell myself, is learning the YouTube algorithm, what it is and how does it work and how to dominate it. When I started YouTube, I did not have any idea that what an algorithm was even, let alone the fact that YouTube had one and how it worked. If you understand the algorithm and how it works, you can easily make your channel blow up. So I wish that I could go back in time and tell my own self that this is how the algorithm works. This is how to use it to your advantage, and here is how to grow on YouTube very quickly. So I definitely suggest and recommend every single new YouTuber to research about the algorithm and learn to use it to your advantage so you can grow super quickly. Papa Bulb has done several videos on YouTube algorithm. Start watching them to get a hang of how does it work. I recommend you to start watching this one. The link is going to be in the description and the video will appear on top right now. The second tip that I feel it is very crucial to your growth on YouTube is knowing who your audience are. I think that every beginner YouTuber has this goal to identify and find out what type of content they want to make. They are very focused on the content that they are making, whereas they should be much more focused on who are they making the content for. Once you know who you are making your videos for and who is your audience, it is much easier to find people who fit that gap to be your subscribers, and also to find out video ideas to make for that specific audience. For instance, when I realized that my own audience were beginner YouTubers, it was way easier for me to find video ideas and know what type of content I should make, and all of that is because I would easily ask myself that what are beginner YouTubers looking for? What type of content do they want to see? So rather than asking yourself what type of content you want to make, try to first figure out who your audience is and who you are targeting to be your audience, and then finding video ideas will become much more simple. Tip number 3 is long-tailed SEO. As a small YouTuber with much smaller audience and very little engagement, it is very difficult to get your videos out there and get attention, views and subscribers. In that case, I think for all beginner YouTubers, the best chance that you have to grow is to rank in search. Papa Bulb has recently made a video on SEO and I recommend you to definitely watch that video because it helps you rank in search. The link is going to be in the description and the video will appear on top right now. So in this video, I am not going to go all over that again because you can watch that video. However, as I said in that video as well, trying to rank for small general keywords like get subscribers is really impossible because it has tons of competition and it is not going to give you a very good chance to rank in search. Whereas targeting a longer tailed keyword gives you a way higher chance to rank in search because it is more broken down and it is much more specific and has way less competition. All of these help you have a higher chance to rank in search, get more traction, get more views and get more potential subscribers. Tip number 4 is backup plan, and by this I mean create a list for yourself and write many potential video ideas, so when you're ready to film and you are very motivated but you have no idea what to film, you take a look at your list and you see that you have this list full of potential video ideas that you can film. This tip has personally changed the game for me. Tip number 5 is upload schedule. This is really important because it will ensure that your subscribers will always know when to look out for your new videos, and it helps you to organize and manage your time much better, and you always know when you need to film, when you need to edit and stuff like that. For example, if you know that you need to upload a video on Sunday, then you know what days you need to be filming, editing and uploading, and what other days you have free time to get to your personal life. Tip number 6 is workflow. This is the one that can change everything for you. I used to spend hours to find a video idea and write video scripts for it, and it used to take me several days to edit my videos. Then what happened was that I developed some sort of work routine, and I turned all of those to around several hours. So I definitely suggest every YouTuber to find a routine for themselves, because it is going to save you so much time and it will make you way more productive, and you can get a lot more accomplished in less time. Tip number 7 is hook. You need to begin all of your videos with hook. The first 10 seconds of your video is very important. If you don't hook your viewers from the beginning of your videos, there is a very high chance that they will not stay to watch your video. That is the reason why when I start my videos, I tell the viewers what are they going to get. That way, if a viewer is interested in that topic, he or she will stick around and watch the whole video, which increases your audience retention. Now, if you spend way too long to get to your point in the beginning of your videos, there is a very high chance that they will get bored. In my opinion, learning the art of hook is very, very important. Tip number 8 is audience retention. Engagements on your videos are super important, and they include likes, comments, video and end card clicks, shares and any other sort of engagements, as well as audience retention. Audience retention means that how long are people watching your videos, and it is the most important data that the YouTube algorithm looks at when they want to decide whether to boost your video on the platform or not. So you need to do absolutely everything in your power to get as much retention as possible and keep people watching your videos as long as possible, because the more retention that you have, there is more chance that your video will blow up on YouTube. Don't forget to appreciate Papa Bulb's hard work and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your YouTuber friends. Tip number 9 is title. If you take a look at bigger YouTubers' channels and people who typically get more views, their titles are made specifically in a way that make you click. Now, I am going to teach you a title format that can make you rank in search as well as be interesting so people click on it. First of all, you need to break your title in 2 parts. The first half of your title should only be for purpose of getting clicks. For example, how I got 50,000 views in 1 month, or how much money do small YouTubers make. They should be something that when somebody sees that video on the recommended page or the suggested section, it catches their eyes and makes them watch the video. The first part of your title has nothing to do with your keywords, SEO and ranking in search. It is all about getting the clicks. The second part of your title should be more searchable and more friendly towards the SEO, and it should have high search volume and a low competition volume so you can rank in search. By having this format for your titles, you ensure that your videos get clicks and they also rank in search to get more views and potential subscribers. Tip number 10 is end screen. You need to add end screen to every single one of your videos. My videos personally all have end screen, and it only takes about 30 seconds to add one. End screens are cards that pop up at the last 20 seconds of your video, and there you can promote your videos, playlist, an external link and the subscribe button. End screens are really helpful because they let your viewers jump from this video to another video and so on. And this way you're making a viewer to watch more of your videos from your channel, and your watch time and views will increase drastically. In addition, you have a way better chance to turn your viewers into subscribers, and every time someone clicks on your end screen, YouTube counts it as engagement. I highly suggest you to add end screens to your videos because they have lots of advantage. Papa Bulb has done a video about end screens and how you can add one. Make sure to watch that video to get all of these advantages that we talked about. The link is going to be in the description and the video will appear on top right now. Tip number 11 is thumbnails. Thumbnails are the most important part of your video appearance because your thumbnail is the first thing that people see, and then people decide to whether click on your video or not. So if your thumbnails turns people away from your video, you're not going to get views. But if your thumbnail is eye-catching, there's a lot of chance that you will get more views. Here is what I suggest you to do. Go on your recommended page on YouTube and take a look at the thumbnails that are there. Then ask yourself, what about these thumbnails are eye-catching and make me want to click on them? Is it the color or the brightness or perhaps the text that they used? These are all things that you need to apply in your own thumbnails to see if they help you attract more people and get more views. I have shared many tips on how to make good thumbnails in the first video that I recommended to you. Tip number 12 is top videos. You need to replicate the top performing videos. If you have a video on your channel that is getting a lot of attention, such as views, turning views into subscribers and many likes, then you need to replicate that by making a part 2 for it, or a series, or a different version of that video. That can bring you tons of views, and it can also tell you that what do your subscribers love to watch, and you should give them what they like to watch. Tip number 13 is watch time. If you want to get more watch time, then you better start making longer videos. But keep in mind that because your video is 10 minutes and not 5 minutes, it does not mean that people are going to watch it all the way through. However, having a 30-minute video compared to a 5-minute video just gives people more content to watch, and you are increasing the potential to get more watch time. So try to find a way to make your videos longer and add in more information. But keep in mind that your longer videos should not lose their value, and they should be value packed till the end. Tip number 14 is live streams. This is the best way to gather audience that care about you and engage with you. Because by live streaming instead of watching a pre-recorded and edited video, your audience get to engage with you live and get to ask you questions, get to know you, and see you as their friend. That will help you build a super strong community on your channel. Usually, very less YouTubers live stream, but you need to consider the advantages that it has. That is what makes people come back and care about your videos. Tip number 15 is the type of content. You need to learn the 3 types of content: community, shareable, and searchable. Community videos are videos that you make because your audience asks for it. They are type of videos that you are not sure that whether they get views or not, but you make them because your audience requested. Shareable videos are the ones that you make with the intent of sharing them. For example, by making advice videos for new YouTubers, I'm hoping that YouTubers will share my video with their YouTuber friends. Now, searchable video are the ones that you know people are searching for. So as a small YouTuber, I know that many people are searching for how to get subscribers or how to get viewers or how does the algorithm work. Those videos are the ones that I am naturally drawn to because I know that they are more searchable and they will get me views. So knowing these types of videos are going to help you get much more views. Tip number 16 is collaborations. Collaborating with other YouTubers is a great way to connect with new people, make friends on YouTube, and get your videos and channel in front of more people. So find a small YouTuber that makes similar content as you and have the same audience as you. Email them and tell them that, hey, I just found your channel, I love your content, and I think that we have the same type of content and audience. Are you willing to do any sort of collaborations? And that is a great way to bring some subscribers and viewers to your channel and make new friends. Papa Ball works really hard to make these videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below any other tips that you know. Tip number 17 is analytics. For a very long time, I did not know what analytics were and I did not know anything about it. Your analytics tell you everything about your videos, from where people are finding your videos to when are they watching them, your audience retention, your drop-off points in your videos, and everything you need to know about how your channel is working and what is bringing views and what is not. I highly suggest you to take time and read your analytics to understand how your channel is working and what you should do to improve. Tip number 18 is numbers. Don't get caught up in your numbers. As a small YouTuber, it is very easy to take a look at your subscribers. How slow are you growing? Why is that person getting more subscribers than me? Why is that person getting more views than me? Here's the thing, on the long scales on YouTube, your numbers have very little to do with your success rate. What is far more important than subscribers and views are stuff like audience retention and your engagement and having more loyal audience and having fun with your channel. If you are very focused on your numbers and how fast you're growing or how slow you are growing, you lose the complete sight of being a YouTuber, which is having fun and enjoying what you are doing. Tip number 19 is smaller goals. It is very easy when you first start a YouTube channel and you learn what is needed for monetization. You want to be at 1,000 subscribers or have 4,000 hours of watch time. However, trying to get from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers or from 0 watch hours to 4,000 watch hours takes a lot of time. Whereas if you break that down to getting 100 subscribers, it's much easier compared to 1,000. So rather than setting a goal to 1,000 subscribers, set a goal to 100 subscribers and so on. You need to focus on the smaller milestones rather than having big ones, which take a lot of time and can get you demotivated. Once you have grown a bit and you take a look back and see how many milestones you have passed, you will feel much better about yourself. Tip number 20 is learning not to care. This is possibly the hardest one out of all of them. There is always going to be some people that don't like what you're doing, don't like who you are, don't like what are you saying, and generally hate you. But as a small YouTuber, you're not going to see that much engagement or that many comments. It is very upsetting to get hate comments or see dislikes on your videos. However, as you grow further on YouTube, the hate also grows bigger. Now, what you need to do is to focus more on your supporters and the people who love your content. And always remind yourself that haters are people who are not succeeding themselves and don't want to see other people to be successful either. Even though it is not the easiest thing to do, but you need to definitely ignore the haters, because as you grow more, the hate is going to come and you should not let it affect you. And that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to share this video with any people you know that might help them. My goal is to help every small YouTuber out there. Make sure to hit that like button and comment down below what you think about this video or if you know any other tips. Finally, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get notified every single time I upload videos like this. Until next time, peace.